In this video, we will see how to get the text over an image. See, this I have opened the web page where in the background I have some image, colored image, and over that I have written a text. You can see at the center top, tree top has been written in red color, and tree left on the left side, and some text like tree left again on the right side. We will see in a very simple way, just using HTML and CSS, how to paste any text at the desired location over an image. We will move to the implementation of this in our source. Coming to the HTML portion of the file, we will first give the title for our web page as text over image using CSS and HTML. As mentioned, we are not going to use any JavaScript. Just with styling portion, we will get the text written over the image. Coming to the body content, we will define the div class called as container. This is the container which is going to hold the image and the text that is to be printed on the image in our web page. I am going to include the image called tree.jpg which is stored in the same location as this HTML file. Alternative to display is no image. I am bringing the image alone to the container, div class container. I have not yet included the text portion. Now we will just see the preview whether the image has popped up. Yes, this is the image I am trying to pop up on the web page. So we have got the image successfully displayed. Now we will go back to our HTML file and then give the text to be displayed over this image on the top and left and on the right. So within the div class container, we have the image. Let me include the text that should be displayed over the image. For that, first I want text to be displayed as tree top and call that div class as top. As the name mentioned, the tree top text or the label to be printed at the top of the image with the center location. To get this stuff, I am going to write the CSS styling portion. So I will go back to the head portion of HTML and then bring the style element. Inside the style element, let me do first the styling for the container. The container is the one which holds both the image and the text over the image to be printed. The container position shall be relative. Next, for the class top which holds the text tree top, we want to display it at the top center of the image. So for dot top, we will give the position as absolute. Then we have to define the actual position, that is from the top. I will put at 5% from the top, and from the left say 25% from the left. I want the label tree top to be displayed, that is 5% from the image top and 25% from the left of the image is where the text to be displayed. And color of the text for prominent display, let me choose brown color. and the size of the text. So font size, I am going to choose it as say larger, or let me rearrange. Larger will also be smaller as the image has broad and bold colors. Let me give font size as 50 pixel. I hope this must be the prominent, make the text as prominent size and make it visible for us from the distinguishing itself from the image. Now similar to tree top, we will try to have the label displayed, one on the left side called as tree left under the class left. Also one more text, we will display it on the right side of the image under the class right, and text as tree right. So we have three classes for the text to be displayed within the class called container, and the container holds the image also. I have copied the top class for the left and just arranging the values for top and left to 25% and 5% on the image where the text to be displayed, and again I am going to write it for a right class. Now the top from the top of the images it shall be 25%, and since I want this from the right side, instead of left element I will use the right element, and it shall be say at 50% from the right side of the image, and other things like color and font size shall remain same for all three texts like brown and 50 pixel. So we have a container class where the image and the text over the images are held. It's very simple with 4-5 lines of HTML codes and the CSS styling for container. I have opened the HTML file in the browser. As we can see, tree top, these letters are written over the image and it is brown in color. There is also letter tree left, which is to the left side of the tree, and tree right onto the right side of the tree. So with this we have seen a simple method to place the text on the image. By adjusting the left, right, top, bottom positions, we can place this text at our intended location over the image. The steps are very simple. We have defined the div class which holds the image and the text to be placed on the image in HTML. Then we have started giving the styling for the overall container. Here we have given the position for the container as relative. Then we have started giving the styling for the individual text items. We have taken the top center with the class top and positioned with top and left elements. Similarly, we have positioned the letter tree left using the class left, and we have positioned the letters or the text tree right using the class right. So this is a very easy method, and it is also very useful when we have to name some portions of our image. Say some scientific images are there which we have to label it for better readability. This is much more useful and very easy for the usage of web page.